welcome to the farm. Today, we're going to meet 25 different farm animals and learn about the sounds they make. Look, there's a cow over there.
Wow, I can't wait!
Look at the goats. Here's chicken. Let me show you horse. Sheep. Look at duck. Donkey. Oh, there's turkeys. Let's see. Look at there, geese honk. Look, cat. Look at the dog. Oh wow, rabbit. Let's go and see the camel.
Did you see peacocks, Fizza?
Let me show you pigeon.
Is there any buffalo?
Yes, look there. Did you ever hear llamas sound Naya? Now let me show you donkey.
What about alpacas, Fizza?
Yes, I can show you alpacas, Naya. Look at the bee. Look, Naya, there's a frog. Look at owl. This is parrot. Do you know roosters crow?
That's amazing, Fizza! I didn't know animals had so many different sounds.
Yes, every animal has its own special way of communicating. And all of them play a role in farm life, just like how we do in our communities. Look over there, Naya, that's where our Earth Warriors Learning Center is, where we teach children like you all about nature, animals, and how to take care of the planet.
I can't wait to learn more.